treasure, riches untold. International stacker, here to say, shiny vibes coming your way. Silver shines, gold's the glow. Stack it high, watch it grow. Giveaways for all, feel the thrill. International stacker chasing that mill. Coins and bars, rare to find. Treasure hunting, one of a kind. Join the crew, let's explore. Stack up wealth and so much more. Chasing that mill. Maps and clues, giveaways tonight. Silver dream shining bright. Roll the dice, take a chance. Treasure calls, we're in a dance. Silver shines, gold's the glow. Stack it high, watch it grow. Giveaways for all, feel the thrill. International stacking that mill. So hit that flow, join the quest. Riches await, you're the best international stacker. Stacking strong, silver, gold, where you belong. Chasing that mill. So hit that sub, join the quest. Riches await, you're the best international stacker. Stacking strong, silver, gold, where you belong. Chasing that mill. Chasing that mill. Crabs are grooving side to side. Ocean waves where dreams collide. Claws are up, the beat we chase. Treasure gleaming, golden space. Get your claws up, don't delay. Yeah, join the party night and day. Gold and silver is the key. Crustacean nation, dance with me.
Who's ready? Who's ready? Who is ready? Let's go!
Tidal rhythms in the sand, shiny spoils laid by hand. We're the crew, the shell brigade, treasures found, the music's played. Get your claws up in the sky, international stacker, he's our guy. Gold and silver is the key, crustacean nation, dance with me.
Yeah. Let's go.
Dance with me. Dance with me. Dance with me. Dance with me.
One stacker on a journey
To find
silver.
International Stacker.
Ladies and gentlemen, what is up? The name is International Stacker, and I travel the world on gold and silver adventures with you all. I've literally been on camels at the Great Pyramids of Egypt, and you told me to take that camel Egyptian Uber ride, and I did it. We've been all over the place. Ireland, we've been all across Europe, all across America, and I'm giving away nearly $7,000 in gold and silver in the upcoming Mega Ga. Make sure you're entered, and remember, the first 1,000 people to enter get a free 1/2 gold back from Goldbacks. Here, I'm going to drop that link in chat. Enter Mega Ga here. Make sure to enter that, guys. Don't sleep on it. It's the giveaway of the century. And ladies and gentlemen, let me go ahead and show you this box right here. If you see that box, I received something special for the Mega Ga. Something to include in the Mega Ga there. So should we open that now or later? Let me see what you guys think. But ladies and gentlemen, gold and silver have been on a bit of a rebound today. We've got 29 minutes until 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is when the U.S. markets officially close. And silver is on a red candle, but it's 47.10. Look where we came from down here. We were down in the gutter. Now we're back over 47. The next target's $47.26. In gold, we were already all the way down here to 3,800. And right now we are at 3,000. What is this? 3,951. So we want to get back up here to 4,000. But ladies and gentlemen, we're having such a good time. We got Yasmel Rodriguez saying, "What up, International Stacker? What is up? Good to see everybody here." We got KTM. I can't believe there are still gold backs available. There are to the first 1,000 people. So far, we've had 658 unique people enter. So only the next 300 and what, 42? 32 people can enter it. So it's going to be crazy. What's in the box? Do you guys want to see what's in the box? Before we open the box, first I want to say thank you so much. We broke 39,000 subscribers today, and we're actually at 39,061. So only 49 more to go till we're at 39,100, which will show up here. And ladies and gentlemen, a big thank you to Michael Huff, the newest member of the Crustacean Nation as a prospector. Thank you for becoming a channel member. Well, you guys, when you're a channel member, when you super chat, when you do any of that stuff, it helps the channel immensely. Even when you like a video, share a video, leave a comment, watch a video all the way through, it really helps. So thank you so much. And again, big welcome to the newest channel member, Michael Huff. Make sure you check out your custom emojis. Check those out. And we are going to have a war room chat for members only at the end of this live stream. Now, let's see what's in the box. I got this special box in the mill. Look at this. Mega Ga. What is that? Okay, let me do that. Let me switch this thing here so I can make sure I'm giving you guys a good shot. For the Mega Ga, coming to you guys. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 coin ping pocket testers from Sound Money Metals, who is a supporter of the channel. Thanks, IS. Crustacean Nation. So that is so cool. So we're going to be giving out even more stuff in the Mega Got. Another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 coin ping testers. It looks like this. And if you guys don't have this, you need to get it, honestly. Put it in a, look, it's cheaper than an ounce of silver. And it does this. Listen. You hear that ring? You flick it like this, but you can't hear it down there. And it can tell you with the free phone app if it's free, real gold or silver. Free. If it's real gold or silver with all the price run up and all the fakes. You guys need one of these. There is a link in the description below so you can enter it. Or so you can buy one. Again, cheaper than an ounce of silver. I'm a firm believer everyone needs one. And if you buy it through that link, the channel also gets a small kickback. But I don't care where you guys buy it as long as you get it. Everyone needs it. Everyone needs to protect themselves. As we are 25 minutes away from market close, $47.13 on a green candle. Let's see what the futures is. 47.17. So we are in contango, which means we're out of backwardation, where the futures is higher than the current spot price, not by much. It would not take much to get back over into backwardation. So interesting times for sure. We got CMAR in the chat saying, I don't have one. I still need it. Well, click the link below. Pick yourself up one or win one in the Mega Golf. It has saved me from a fake American Silver Eagles, says Scream PM. I'm so glad you had that. I'm so glad it saved you. Yes, God does equal giveaway. Big thank you to Christopher, newest member of the Crustacean Nation. He just became a prospector. All the new members, check out all the custom emojis, whatever, however you say it, that you can drop in chat. There's also some cool member features at the end of the stream. We will be going to the war room, all channel members only to the war room by the end of the stream. So we're going to have fun there. Guys, please hit that like button. It helps the stream get out to more people, wakes up more people. Literally makes you the gold and silver Paul Revere's of the internet as our national debt continues to tick higher. But we are silver gold stackers, hoarders, numistatists, Wall Street's bets, Wall Street silver. Everyone's working together to hold the line against the big bankers. Literally 23 minutes left until market close. Who thinks we can hit this next target? 47.26. Put a 1 in chat if you think we're going to break 47.26 before close. Put a 2 in chat if you think we're going to break this $47 mark. 1 up, 2 down. Let's see what you guys think. Big shout out to Robert Wallery, another channel member. We got Ron Spencer in the chat. We got Richard Metcalf, another channel member. We got Silver Brewer saying howdy all. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Welcome to the stream. We got Medic 1541 in the house. Medic 1541, good to see you. Elder Joshua Hetrick is here. We got Raven Wolf, another channel member, Gen X Silver Stacker. Channel members, we will be going to the war room after this. We will be going to the war room. Okay, I see your guys' votes. Now, if you're buying the dip, press 3. I bought the dip. I facilitated a 70-ounce silver deal and also picked up this 1 ounce of gold. These are 2 1/2 gold eagles. I got these for $3,798, so immediately I was up a couple $100. I'm planning to flip these for equity to get more silver, but I'm just waiting a little bit longer for this gold and silver price to continue to rebound. And I think tomorrow with the FOMC meeting with the Federal Reserve, I'm quite confident they're going to cut rates again. So that should be bullish, at least for a short-term bump in the metals price. Not a financial advisor, but that's looking good. We got Greenback Stacker in the house. We got the real Gear Up Survival in the house. What is up, everybody? Welcome to the stream. Ooh, we got Fizzy Biscuits in the house. Welcome, everybody. 3 more likes to 50. Please hit that like button as we're 22 minutes away from market close. 47.09 on silver, red candle, and a green candle on gold, 3,955. This is where we started today, down here, and we're here. Don't think we'll make it back to 400 or 4,000. We'll see. And we started way down here on silver. Now we're at 47.10. The next target's 47.26. Welcome everybody to the stream. Please smash the like. My name's International Stacker. I give away nearly $7,000 in gold and silver. Enter the Mega Ga. The link to do so is pinned in the comments. Only 16 days left in the Mega Ga. We have 658 unique entrants, so only 300 and something left can get the free 1/2 gold back. And I'm sitting at 39,062 subscribers. Do you guys think we can get to 40,000 subscribers in the next 16 days? I think it's possible. Put a crab in chat if you think we can hit 40,000 subs by the Mega Ga. And we do have a piece of news in here from the news desk. Gold hits 3-week low amid U.S.-China trade progress. COMEX silver settles 1.21% higher. Let's check the gold to silver ratio, and it is coming down. We're at 84. Follow me on X, previously known as Twitter. I put all kinds of great information on here. My handle here is INTL Stacker, because international when it fits, so INTL Stacker. Say a prayer for the folks in Jamaica right now. This massive Cat 5 hurricane literally hit them, has hit them, and is still hitting them. It's nearly as big as the entire country. Say a prayer for them. It's going to be catastrophic. I work in emergency management, contracting. That's my side hustle, my side gig, right? Because YouTube's kind of taken over. But yeah, it's going to be devastating down there, catastrophic. It's going to take months and years to recover. It's going to be horrible. We've got David saying, if you think gold has topped out, you're accusing all the central banks around the world of being imbeciles. So I don't have the chart in front of me, but central banks are buying gold like crazy. So if gold topped out and it crashed and gold's a relic of the past, why are all the big central banks stockpiling gold? That's food for thought. Silver Degen buying the dip as he has some Morgan silver dollars. There's a peace dollar, some other constitutional. Amazing stuff. If you guys want to watch the storm coverage I was watching before and I'll watch after this, Ryan Hall, y'all's the best on the internet. He's got like 100,000 people in his live stream. Great guy. Super solid stuff. So he's streaming right now. Something big is coming, says the great Martis. So look at this. Something big is coming. Central banks will soon hold more gold than US dollars. Here you go. So this is central banks gold, what they're holding, and this is US dollars through bonds and other instruments. If gold is collapsing, if the gold run is over, why are all the central banks adding it? I mean, right? Do as we say, not as we do type thing going on there. John saying $54 silver was the most hated all time in history. You're not bullish enough if you think that's where we're stopping. If you correct for inflation from $50 in 1980, that's over $208 today. Oh, and you guys, I released a video earlier today that's doing really well. It's called a Global Gold and Silver Crisis Chaos. Worldwide Panic as metals sell out. It's a great video. Check it out. But also, too, people are leaving in the comments, like, in Russia, we're not seeing problems. Someone said in Germany, premiums are at 25%. So if you have any intel on the ground, put it in this video here. We will use it to aggregate and to share information. And for those who are entering the Mega Ga, I put random passwords in some of my videos that will give you an advantage. So make sure to watch every video since I released that Mega Ga video, as we are just 18 minutes from market close on a red candle for silver, 47.06, but we're fighting. Green candle for gold, 3,955. Jason M is saying, it's Tuesday. The banksters are fighting off the inevitable. They built their empire on paper silver, and now they cannot defeat the metal. Buy silver. Not a financial advisor, guys, but I'm buying silver and gold. Interesting life hack per the investor crate that they learned a decade ago. You can trade in this monopoly money right here that is endlessly printed, mostly digital and backed by nothing for real money. Pretty neat stuff. And you guys, there's a reason that we stockpile and stack physical gold and silver. It's because all throughout history, there has not been a single paper currency that has not gone to zero. Not a single one, whether it was Venezuela, whether it was Lebanon. Let me whip out my Vietnam dong, whether it was in Vietnam. And it got so bad in Zimbabwe, they went from $1 million notes to $1 billion notes to $1 trillion notes. That is why we stack physical gold and silver. as we are just 16 minutes away from market close. $47.07 silver. They want it to finish below 47. So our goal is to keep it above 47 and finish 47.26. And gold is moving sideways on a green candle, 3,956. But both of these metals are doing much better than earlier today and in the after hours. So that is good news. But I'm not worried by momentary pullbacks or corrections. I'm in it for the long term, not a financial advisor, but I feel extremely comfortable. And again, another tweet on that hurricane, worst case scenario unfolding. This person's at a near loss for words. Last chance to protect your life at all costs. It's going to be bad, guys. Pray for Jamaica. It's going to be bad. Also, Cuba's going to get smashed. Haiti's getting flooded. It's going to be a catastrophe. Gold and Silver says silver may be on the verge of massive reversion. You got to watch him, guys. Mike Maloney, he has a playlist on YouTube called The Hidden Secrets of Money. If you've not watched that yet, it will open your eyes. And if you want to open up any of your friends or family's eyes for gold and silver, have them watch that. I've had multiple watch it, and it's affected every single one of them the same way. It's indisputable. Wall Street Gold, silver future just pushed back above $47, back in the green, and regaining momentum. Okay, that's just an ad of that part. So let's look at it again. We've been in backwardation for days, weeks, but we went back in contango a couple times over the last few days, but it looks like we're back now. 47.21 on the futures, 47.09. Yep, we're still in contango as we move sideways with 15 minutes till the market closes. We got gold predictors saying silver is rapidly climbing toward the upper boundary of its multi-decade ascending channel. A breakout above 60 could trigger an explosive move to the extension line. Momentum is building. Here's a video I dropped earlier today with Cabbage Coins. You can go check that out on X. I almost say Twitter. Shout out to Sue Vogel tweeting at me saying stack up and claws up. Mods, somebody, I think it's time for a crab dance in chat. That deserves a crab dance. And again, big thank you to everybody. We broke 39,000 subscribers today, and I'm currently at 39.62 with 14 minutes left until the market officially closes in the COMEX. Then we'll move into after hours, then the Asian markets, then London, and we'll see what kind of trickery they have for us tonight. 14 minutes, silver on a red candle, 47.06, and gold is on a red candle, $3,955, as the gold to silver ratio continues to close, and we remain in contango with the futures at $47.19 for silver. Going down, India shifted from gold jewelry to bullion. Per CNBC, bars and coins steal the shine from jewelry as Indians splurge up to 11 billion with a B on gold this Diwali. And Diwali is a festival they hold where they buy a bunch of gold and silver. Tomorrow is the FOMC day. Fed is going to cut rates. I think gold could bottom on FOC day, meaning let's push higher. Look at this from Zero Hedge. Korean central banks are about to start buying gold. Well, they're a bit late to the party. The Bank of Korea plans to consider additional gold purchases for medium to long-term perspective. So if the market was crashing, we're topped out, gold's overbought, why are more central banks buying it? That makes no sense. Eric Jung says Uncle Sam needs its lieutenants, which is Citibank and Morgan Stanley, to watch the capo JPM and make sure the capo is doing his job. JP Morgan's grip on London. Look at this. JP Morgan's grip on London gold vaults challenged by rival banks. Hard, long, gold and silver. The correction is over. Just the $50 rug pull after breakout to kill sentiment. Sit tight and enjoy the liftoff as the market closes in 12 minutes. And we have been pushing higher on silver all day today. Gold's been mostly moving sideways, but it's a bit higher than its low point, so we're doing good there. Are you guys all pumped in chat? Are you guys all pumped and ready to go for this close? I am. Will there be any future secret codes coming soon? Yes, there will be, Jonathan. And since you guys are all joining me in this chat, should I tell you guys this? Should I tell you guys this? Look, we're at 63 likes. If we hit 75 likes, I will tell you guys when the next secret code is dropping. As we go down, make gold great. A good hard shakeout is tradition. What those not deep in the space don't realize, this isn't 2011 where the high was $49.50, and if you correct for inflation, it's over 72 of today's dollars. Whatever the exact timing is, this is just the beginning. Surprises are ahead, and we're going mainstream, baby. 5 grams of gold, says Roadkill. Rashid saying, a very nice comeback in silver. Peter Schiff is saying the gold market is flushing out all the sell stops below $4,000 an ounce. Once the weak hands, not the diamond hands, not the diamond claws, channel members, can we get some diamond claws in chat? Once the weak hands are shaken out, the market will be poised to rally from its new $4,000 support level. Use the dip as an opportunity to fund your stack today. Big shout out to the Lug. We just dropped a video with him earlier today too on Twitter, X, previously known as Twitter. We are witnessing the last time silver will trade below 50 in our lifetimes. I really think that too. That was Gray Rabbit Finance saying that. But I really believe that too, as we are only 10 minutes away from market open. And a big shout out to Sublime Mad Dog. Oh, you got the likes. Okay, the next password is dropping Friday. I have a video coming out Friday, which I still have to edit. I just reminded myself. I've got a video coming out Friday that has a channel viewer in it. Emerald Coast Stacker and Fish, both channel subscribers, are in this video. We're at a coin show buying Engelhard bars, having a good time. So that video is coming out on Friday, and in that video will be the next password. And in this time, I will say it and put it on screen. Sometimes I only put it on screen with text, but this time I will say it and put it on screen. Okay. Sublime Mad Dog sent me a few new scenes. Do you guys want to see a few new scenes that Sublime Mad Dog sent? Put a 2 in chat if you want to see that. We are 9 minutes away from market close. Silver is on a little bit of a red candle, 47.05, but still up for today. Gold is on a red candle of 39.60. Silver futures sits at 47.17, which we are still in contango. We're not in backwardation anymore, and that is going to mess with the shorts. I'm expecting a violent shift north for that. Okay, so first off, you guys know this. You know this thing. And that's cut out of a funny video I did a live stream up near Disneyland like years ago. Well, he made this. Check this out. Okay. And then, you guys know this. You know, if you want to make a guy, you got to pay your... Well, look what he made here. So those are a bit creepy and crazy, but I love it. And then he made 2 more things. He made this. So pretty cool. Shout out to Sublime Mad Dog. Thank you for those new scenes. I've got them programmed. Gonna use them as we are only 8 minutes away and we are on a big green candle up with silver. Strap in, ladies and gentlemen, $47.12. And gold's on a big green one too, 3,959. Wow, 47.13. Our next goal is 47.26. Are we going to make it on this candle? Again, a big shout out to Sublime. Super cool. That took some work, I know. Thank you for that. Are those supposed to have sound? The Goblin ones have sound, but I removed the sound from the dancing crab just so they could dance to the background music of the stream. And then the little gremlin doesn't have sound, but this one should have sound. Did those last 2 have sound? Let me know. Those last 2 with the Goblin should have had sound. Ooh, someone's trying to duel me. I'm going to put accept. Oh, he's saying it doesn't work. Oh, there was no sound on those? Okay, 1 second. Let me see something here. Did those two work with the sound? I think I fixed it. As ladies and gentlemen, we're 6 minutes away from market close. Only 20 likes from 100. Please smash the like button as we are moving higher on a green candle, 47.10 on silver, and gold is at 3,961. I think I fixed the sound. Okay, I fixed it. Okay, we're good. Thank you. So let me play those again for you.
Mega!
The Goblin has gotten creepy. The Mega Gaw is coming. As we're only 5 minutes away from market close, 47.10 on a little bit of a red candle with silver, 3,961, 962. So Medic is in chat, and I used to work on an ambulance, and a 961 was a vehicle accident with no injuries. 962 was a vehicle accident with injuries, and 963 was a vehicle accident with fatalities. Medic, was that the same for you? I'm curious. As we are about 4.5 minutes away from market close, you do need an amulet of protection, KTM. I might make some more amulets for this Mega God. We'll see. Because if you don't have an amulet of protection, the Goblin always comes for his. It's just the way it is. Can't stop it. I don't think I have 500 points, Robert. So, YouTube recently did a massive update, and some stuff is like not working 100%. Some stuff's a little broken, so it's getting fixed day by day. I only have 5 claws. I keep gambling all. Keep shooting the moon. Got about 130 people on, 84 likes, 16 more likes to 100. I really appreciate the support. And you guys, thank you so much again. We broke 39,000 subs today. We're almost to 39,100. And we've got literally 3.5 minutes left till market close. And don't forget to enter my Mega God. Nearly $7,000 in gold and silver I'm giving away to you. And the first 1,000 people to enter get a free 1/2 gold back. So link is in the description. It's or in the comments. It's pinned. We've got 659 unique entrants. So that means only 341 left can get the 1/2 gold back. How is gold and silver in the U.S. from across the pond? I mean, there's gold and silver. You can get it. There's some places that are seeing some tightening, but it's not like overseas. Go watch that video I put out this morning. It shows lines all over the world, and people are actually commenting in there from Germany and from Europe and different places, and they're giving updates on what it's like there. I've heard of long lines in Canada, but U.S. we're not seeing that yet. We got a lot of sellers in the U.S. I called a coin shop the other day, and he's like, still, probably a few more sellers than buyers, but he's seen a lot of first-time buyers buy. So that's interesting. And again, I just want to shout out again, thank you to our newest channel members who just joined earlier today in the stream, Michael and Chris. Thank you. Your support for the channel, really appreciate it. Helps me to do around the world gold and silver adventure journeys. And again, check out your new member emojis, and we're going to the war room. So all channel members, we're going to the war room a little bit after market close today. Code 9 was psych emergency for person. One of my co-workers had a personalized plate that said code 9, says medic. That's funny. I'm looking up. I want to see. Oh, you had different call signs for accidents. You know what? I can't say the word. If someone tried to unalive themselves, the radio code for that was a 666. 666, mark of the beast. That was the code word on the radio for that on the ambulance. 1.5 minutes left till market close. Can we keep silver above $47? Put a 1 in chat if we're going to stay above this blue line. Put a 2 in chat if you think the bankers are going to smack us down. We're nearly a minute out. Here we go. Where's your gold? Right here, maybe. Or maybe if you enter the Mega Ga, maybe you could enter some gold. This is my newest purchase. 1 ounce, 1.5 eagles. As we are 1 minute away from market close. Get ready, ladies and gentlemen. It might get bloody. It might get violent. As we are about to have market close. 40 seconds. Let's see what happens here. 40 seconds. Let's see what happens here. Okay. 30 seconds. We need a better song. We need a better song. We need a better song. No, we need a better song. Better song. We need a better song. There we go. 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the market is officially closed on a green and then red candle. $47.08 silver. $3,960 on a green candle for gold. Futures is $47.17, so we are in contango. Ladies and gentlemen, this was a strong day after such a slaughtering. Strong day. Super optimistic. We'll see what happens in the after hours. We're currently in after hours. Then soon the Asian markets will open up. And then we'll go back to the LBMA. And look at Wall Street's gold's post here. 2 metric tons of silver just yanked from the Shanghai Gold Exchange. Chinese dealers selling 15 kilograms, 482 ounces. Moving fast. Wow. Let's see what Peter Schiff is saying, if he's saying anything. Yeah, we got to go all the way up. Okay. That's October 21st. Nothing new. Let's see what's new in silver. That was a good showing today, guys. That was a good showing. We're 11 likes from 100. Please hit that like. James is saying silver. Now watch 1K ounce go unfindable worldwide. We are witnessing the last time silver will trade below 50 in our lifetime, says Gray Rabbit Finance. We hit all-time high in silver price and refinery stopped taking silver. That's funny. If every American tried to buy just 1 ounce of silver, the entire global supply would vanish overnight. That would be crazy. Wow. What a good time. Remember, I will be streaming tomorrow, Market Open. Market opens at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, so I'll be on probably 8:30, 8:45. We'll have a little pre-market party. Members, we are going to the war room here in 4 minutes and 48 seconds. And you guys, check out this video from this morning. Global gold and silver chaos, worldwide panic as metals sell out. It's a very good video, and if you have intel, put it in the chat or in the comments. I have lines in Canada. Spot price, premiums are up 50% in Zimbabwe. Like wherever you're at, whatever intel you have in the U.S., abroad, whatever, put it in there. We're going to use that as an aggregation hub to get intel for all what's happening around the world. Ooh, the Real Geared Up Survival, already watched it. Thank you so much for watching it. If you have intel, make sure to add it. Wish I was still a member, says Robert Wolry. I hope everyone has a great rest of the day, says Big Green Stacker, as in 4 minutes we will be going to the war room. As in the after hours, silver's on another green candle, 47.10, and gold is $3,958. And ladies and gentlemen, I will be at the Fun Coin Show in Orlando, meeting up with some other stackers, including Master Stacker, in January. So that's going to be pretty epic, pretty mega. Yeah, I think silver surprised a lot of people today, honestly. I think a lot of people thought it was just going to continue to get smacked. It'll be interesting to see what happens in the wee hours of the evening when the vaults are broken open at the LBMA and COMEX and they're shifting around silver. And you guys, people are like, it's conspiracy we were talking about. There's no manipulation. Like literally, JP Morgan Chase paid $920 million fine in 2016. Deutsche Bank paid $60 million. UBS paid $15 million. HSBC paid $1.6 million. Bank of America, $25 million. These guys went to jail. This is the actual paper ounces they've been throwing at it to suppress the price, which is far above what it's ever been. This day alone, 1.1 billion paper ounces. Bit ridiculous. 2 minutes and 40 seconds to the war room. Thank you everybody for joining. I will be streaming again tomorrow. Early, we got 92 likes. If we get 8 more likes to 100, that would be great. I would really appreciate that. It helps the stream. As we are just 36 subs away from 39,100 with the goal to hit 40,000 by the Mega God, which is in 16, 17 days. 2 minutes to the war room. Okay, since we're going to the war room, I gotta turn on war room mode. So that means we go dark theme. Get ready. I'm getting ready here. Minute 45 seconds to the war room. 95 likes, only 5 from 100. Appreciate your like on the way out. Thank you everybody for coming. Again, I will be streaming in the morning at about 8:30, 8:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Join me there. Members, we are going to the war room very quickly here. So I got to do this. And then here we go, channel members. 1 minute to the war room. Will Joe saying, everyone like this video. Thank you so much, Will. Channel members, prepare yourself for the war room. Appreciate you, Jackie Stackler. Thank you so much. Members, prepare for the war room. Thank you so much, everybody. 20 seconds to the war room. Thank you, everybody. And members, we're going to the war room in 10 seconds. 9, 8, and to everybody else, CYOTNO. Catch you on the next one. Members, hold your breath. Here we go.